How's it going, everyone? My name is Nick Pasquale. I'm the Director of Tech here at Keller San Diego Metro, and today I'm going to take you through the process of making a really cool looking design in the Designs feature of Command that looks something like this. It's kind of a cool little market snap update, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make this. So to start off, you're going to go ahead and navigate to the left side of Command and click on the portion that says Designs. It looks like a little paintbrush inside of a square. So go ahead and click on that. Once you're here, you are going to be able to see a list of previously made designs that you have currently made inside of the Designs feature. If you made nothing, you're going to see nothing here. So go ahead and navigate to the top right and click on Create Design. From here, you're going to see 4 different tabs: Email, Social, Print, and Video. For this, I'm going to select Social, Continue, wait for it to load, and then from here, you're going to see more tabs: Templates, Images, My Designs, and Assets. And then on the left-hand side, you're going to see a bunch more drop-down menus. All of these think of these as nothing but real estate templates. So these are all free real estate templates that you could go through and you could click on which ones that you think might work, and you're able to change the content of any of them. So find one that fits and suits you and use those. But for this example, I'm going to click on the buyer drop-down menu, and then I'm going to click on neighborhood snaps. So once it all loads, you're going to get to a page that looks like this. It's going to be a bunch of different types of templates that you could go ahead and select. But for this example today, I am going to select a square looking one. I'm thinking maybe this one right here. House Hunting 01 IG. So go ahead and press Use. Once everything's all loaded, it's going to be on a new user interface. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the top up here, click this, and I'm going to rename to Insta Post. Click off the screen so it saves, and there you go, it saves. You got your little green check mark, and we're going to press a little X right there. And now we're going to work on changing the content. So the first thing you want to do when you make your ad is you want to figure out what neighborhood you want to target, what area you want to target. So for my example, I'm going to target Chula Vista. So I'm going to start with editing the text down here. House Hunting in, double click this, and we're going to change this to Chula Vista. Click off the screen so it saves. And then we're going to start working on the image next. So to edit the image, all you're really going to do is go ahead and click on the set image you want to edit. And then I'm going to go over to stock. And here's where you can browse unlimited stock photos. So I'm just going to type in San Diego up here in the stock photo section. Press enter. And you're going to see a bunch of stock images that you could do. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one that I've already used in the past. And you can either add the image. What this does is adding image will throw the image there. Replacing the image will it'll automatically swap out both the images, and basically this will get deleted and replaced with a new one. For this, I'll click replace, and bam, look at that, image is replaced. And now we are going to move on to this little left side neighborhood snap up here. So just to give you a heads up, the neighborhood snap is probably the most confusing part about the designs feature of Command. The reason why I say this is when you go ahead on the left side of your screen, go ahead and select KWLS, and go ahead and click snapshots at the top and type in the city you're going to be searching in. So for my example, I'm going to be clicking Chula Vista. And the reason why I say this is confusing is look how many Chula Vistas there are. And you might be saying, which one's the right one I want to target? Well, what you're going to do is navigate to your Keller Williams website, and you could see all these blue bars around neighborhoods. These are what it's searching for. So I'm just going to be targeting this little Chula Vista area right here just to get statistics. It doesn't have to be that accurate. Or if you want to, you could skip that whole process and just select whatever one you want. So for this example, I'm just going to be selecting this top Chula Vista one. Click it, wait for it to load. And you're going to be getting a bunch of different images that should appear. Bam. There we go. So I have just like the little like gridded thing. We have like kind of like a little business card type one. But the one I am personally looking for is this one. So I'm going to click add image, and it's going to add it to the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click this left now, the Barton Hills one, and we're going to delete that. I'm going to drag this one over to the corner. And now I'm just going to drag to resize it. And bam, look at that. We are already pretty much almost done with this. The last thing we have to do is change our Keller Williams logo right up here at the top. So in order to change your Keller Williams logo, it should automatically be uploaded to your Keller Williams Command account. And it's very easy to change. It's kind of like changing the image down here. All you really have to do is navigate your way to the default logo, click it, and you're going to see My Assets, and then your Keller Williams logo for your said Keller Williams should be in your assets. So as you can see, Keller Williams San Diego Metro, I'm going to press the replace button, and look at that, it gets replaced. Say if I want it bigger, let's just drag and resize that to like there, and perfect. And now all you have left to do is press download, and you can download the image and promote it on your social media or promote it in a Facebook ad. If you don't know how to make a Facebook ad, I recommend looking at the other video that's linked up here at the top right in a little gray box. Other than that, if you have any thoughts, questions, or concerns, feel free to put them down in the comments and I'll get back to them whenever I see them. Have a great day.